Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create an invoice without an estimate. So this is a very short one and very easy. So just click on create invoice and select a particular customer. For example, we're selecting Chris Baker. We're selecting a class, for example, new construction, template, invoice, a shipping address, just keep it same or add news, or you can just copy the whole thing and put it there. Select few items that you provided. For example, you provided installation labor quantity, for example 30 hours, or so 35, total 1050. Then some inventory part or something, hardware, for example this is the one. Let's see how much you have. So you have 201, so that's fine. Now you can, for example, you needed 25 dozen. Okay, so you can put the rate if you want. So just put a rate like 10 each, so 250. So same as everything. So you can put a memo number, customer message, and save and close. Now I think you know how to create an invoice without an estimate. The process is very simple. So the item you sold, you have to put those item and the pricing, and you can easily generate the invoice. And like before, you can also email them, you can print them, you can save in PDF version, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question regarding this, just put a comment or just let me know so that I can answer your query. Thank you.